Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Jeep Wrangler headlights that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're upgrading for better visibility, a modern look, or improved safety, we've got options for every need and budget. You can find the links to all these products in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Zima Blue 7-inch LED headlight. This budget-friendly option offers solid performance and a stylish design. Featuring a classic projector look, these headlights are DOT-approved, ensuring road safety while providing brighter and softer illumination compared to stock halogen lights. The aluminum housing and polycarbonate lens combination make it a durable choice for rough driving conditions. In terms of performance, the Zima Blue headlights are IP68 waterproof, meaning they can handle rain, fog, and even off-road splashes. The added amber turn signal and daytime running light (DRL) functionality give your Jeep a modern touch. Installation is fairly straightforward with the included H4 plug and halo wiring, but beginners might benefit from watching an online tutorial. However, some vehicles may require a decoder to avoid error codes, which could mean an additional purchase. The Zima Blue headlights are ideal for Jeep owners looking for a significant upgrade from stock headlights without breaking the bank. While their brightness and beam pattern are decent, they don't quite match the performance of the higher-end options on this list. Pros include affordability, a sleek design, and versatile functionality, but cons include the potential need for additional parts and slightly less impressive brightness compared to premium models. Coming in at number 4 is the Cafopar 7-inch round LED headlights. These headlights stand out with a unique heteromorphic design that provides a wider and brighter beam compared to traditional 7-inch headlights. With 4 integrated light modes, high beam, low beam, DRL, and amber turn signals, these lights are great for Jeep owners who want both functionality and style. The Angel Eye Ring adds a premium look to your vehicle, making it a great choice for aesthetics-focused buyers. The build quality is commendable, with scratch-resistant PC lenses and a die-cast aluminum back that helps manage heat dissipation. Rated IP68 waterproof, these headlights are designed to handle extreme weather conditions with ease. Installation is straightforward, but their slightly larger size might require some adjustments in certain vehicle models. The anti-interference EMC technology ensures that other electronic accessories in your Jeep operate smoothly without signal disruptions. Priced at $79.99, the Cafopar headlights offer excellent value for those wanting a stylish upgrade without stepping into the premium price range. They're perfect for Jeep owners who drive in varied conditions and want a reliable, durable set of headlights. The pros include their unique design, long lifespan, and excellent performance. On the downside, their slightly larger size may require careful installation, and they don't quite match the brightness of the top contenders on this list. At number 3, we have the Unishine Black 2-piece 7-inch LED headlight. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, but it doesn't skimp on essential features. These headlights are DOT-approved and come equipped with DRL and turn signal functionality, making them a safe and functional choice for Jeep owners. Designed with an aluminum alloy housing and silicone gel for heat dissipation, these lights are built to last up to 50,000 hours. While the brightness and beam pattern are adequate for city and light off-road driving, they may not be sufficient for heavy off-roading or extreme weather conditions. Installation is simple, and the package includes H4 to H13 adapters and wiring extensions, which is a nice touch for those who might need additional compatibility. The Unishine headlights are perfect for Jeep owners who want a quick and affordable upgrade from stock headlights. Pros include a very low price, easy installation, and decent performance for the cost. However, the cons are that these headlights lack the advanced brightness and beam uniformity of higher-tier models, and their design is less premium compared to other options. At number 2 is the HW Star 2023 new 7-inch LED headlight. This is a powerhouse in terms of brightness and beam quality, boasting an impressive 10,000 lumens on high beam and 7,000 lumens on low beam. The anti-glare design ensures that the light is evenly distributed, reducing the risk of blinding oncoming traffic. The Z-shaped cutoff line provides one of the best beam patterns we've seen, making these an excellent choice for night driving. The build quality is exceptional, with a heavy-duty design weighing 4.63 pounds per pair. They're also IP67 waterproof and feature anti-aging circuits for a long-lasting performance. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play design, and they're compatible with a wide range of vehicles, not just Jeep Wranglers. These headlights are truly built for durability and long-term use. Priced at $129.99, the HW Star headlights are a premium option that delivers incredible value for their price. They're ideal for drivers who prioritize brightness, safety, and longevity. The pros include their exceptional brightness, durable build, and excellent beam pattern. The only con might be their higher price point, but given their performance, they're worth every penny. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the X-Prite 7-inch LED round headlights. These headlights are the premium choice for Jeep Wrangler owners, combining high-intensity illumination with a modern and rugged design. With 6,000 lumens on high beam and 3,000 lumens on low beam, they provide excellent visibility even in the darkest conditions. The 6000K color temperature produces daylight-like white light, reducing eye strain during long drives. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a die-cast aluminum housing and a polycarbonate lens for durability. These headlights are IP67 weather-resistant, making them perfect for all-terrain, all-weather driving. The added halo ring adds a stylish touch while functioning as a DRL, improving both safety and aesthetics. Installation is simple with the plug-and-play design. But note that if your 2017 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler has OEM LED headlights, you'll need an additional bracket. At $132.99, the X-Prite headlights the most expensive on this list, but their performance and quality justify the price. They're perfect for Jeep owners who want the best of the best in terms of brightness, durability, and style. The pros include superior brightness, excellent build quality, and a sleek design. The only downside is the higher price and potential need for additional parts for certain models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best headlights for your Jeep Wrangler. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.